Ever wonder why your engine RPM keeps revving up and down while idling? In today's video, we'll explore why your car idles up and down in park, what it means, and how to fix it. Before we dive into the 13 causes, there's something crucial to do first. Scan for error codes to get an instant answer. To diagnose RPM fluctuations at idle, start by scanning your car's onboard computer for error codes. Every vehicle made after 1996 has an OBD2 port under the driver's side dashboard. Plug in an OBD2 scan tool and it will show the issue. But here's the kicker. Not every car idling up and down issue shows up in error codes. I'll show you a simple, overlooked trick that can help even when the scanner is clean. Stick till the end to learn this time-saving fix. For now, let's dive into the 13 reasons why your engine RPM revs up and down when idling. The first reason your car experiences RPMs jumping while idle is vacuum leaks. When air sneaks into the engine without passing through the mass airflow sensor, that's called a vacuum leak. The sensor sends the wrong info to the engine's control unit, thinking there's less air so it cuts back on fuel. But the extra air from the leak makes the RPM spike. To fix this, check for cracked hoses or loose connections. Spray brake cleaner or use a smoke machine to help spot the leaks. The second reason your car's idle goes up and down is a malfunctioning MAF sensor. The mass airflow sensor measures incoming air and tells the engine control unit how much fuel to mix. Test the MAF sensor with a multimeter. The voltage should be between 1 and 1.7 volts when you rev the engine. If cleaning doesn't help, replace the sensor. The third reason your car revs up and down while idling is a faulty IAC valve. The idle air control valve is found on the side of the throttle body. It helps regulate the airflow when your engine is idling. To check it, unplug the connector and see if the RPM changes. If it doesn't, the valve may be clogged or faulty. Cleaning it might fix the problem. Before proceeding to the fourth reason, if this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button to support the channel. I'll give you a second. The fourth reason for your car's idle going up and down is clogged air filters. Air filters keep dirt and debris out of your engine, but over time, they can get clogged, restricting the airflow. The fifth reason your RPMs go up and down while parked is a clogged fuel filter. The fuel filter prevents dirt and debris from entering the fuel injectors. The sixth reason your engine revs up and down while idling is a malfunctioning throttle plate. The throttle plate controls how much air enters the engine, and it's found inside the throttle body. To fix this, remove the air intake hose and check the throttle plate. If it's dirty, clean it with throttle body cleaner and a small brush. The seventh reason your RPM fluctuates at idle is faulty TPS. The throttle position sensor sits on the side of the throttle body. It tracks the position of the throttle plate. The eighth reason your car is revving in park is dirty fuel injectors. Fuel injectors deliver fuel to the engine, but over time they can get clogged, leading to uneven idling. The ninth reason your engine revs up and down while idling is a bad fuel pump. The fuel pump moves fuel from the gas tank to the engine, keeping the right pressure for a good air-fuel mix. The 10th reason for your RPM going up and down while idle is a malfunctioning EGR valve. This valve reduces emissions by sending some exhaust gas back into the engine. The 11th reason your car is revving while idle is a bad cam phaser. In VVT engines, a faulty cam phaser can disrupt the ECU's control of intake and exhaust valves, leading to revving issues. The next reason your RPMs fluctuate while idling is a failing alternator or battery. To check, start the engine and test the battery voltage. It should read around 13.5 volts. The 13th reason your engine revs up and down while idling is a damaged ignition system. Worn spark plugs, damaged plug wires, faulty ignition coils, or a bad distributor can cause uneven sparks. Now that we've covered the 13 common causes of your engine revving up and down, let's get to the simple, often overlooked trick I mentioned earlier. If your RPM issues aren't showing up in error codes, the problem could be your car's ground connections. A loose or corroded ground can cause sensor malfunctions, leading to erratic RPMs without triggering any codes. To fix this, locate the grounding points in the engine bay. Clean off any corrosion and tighten any loose bolts. This quick fix could stabilize your engine's idle instantly. Now that you've uncovered why your engine RPM revs up and down while idling, don't stop there. Resetting the throttle position sensor could be the key to fully resolving your issue. Click the video on the screen to learn the quick and easy steps.